Let me show you an easy way to reset your Messenger PIN code. Resetting your PIN code doesn't delete all your old messages, but I would recommend backing everything up. I'll show you how to do it. Now open up the Facebook Messenger app on iPhone, Android, or you can go to a computer and go to messenger.com. We need to get to your settings to be able to do this. So tap on Menu at the bottom right and Settings at the top. Now that we're in the settings of your Facebook Messenger account, we can reset that PIN code if you forgot it, and it lives within the privacy and safety. So let's tap on that. And then from here, end-to-end encrypted chats and message storage. Now within the message storage of your end-to-end encrypted chats, you'll be able to see some options, and you can see midway down is reset PIN. I can tap on that and it allows me to create a new PIN number. Essentially, if you don't remember your old one, you can set a new one and just type in a bunch of numbers and then confirm it. Let's say just a bunch of ones. And then you'll be able to see it resets that PIN number. You can always come back here if you forget again and reset it again.